Hi children, this is yours Kona Reddy. Welcome to class 8 mathematics. Today let us do the problems in exercise 6.3. First problem. What could be the possible ones digits of the square root of each of the following numbers? Here we are given some numbers. These are the squares of some values, some numbers. Suppose we are given 144 and we need to find out square root of 144, but we don't know this one. Now what could be the possible units digit? That is what we need to find out. Before going to this one, let us write what is square root of 1? That is 1. Square root of 2 we don't have, so square root of 4 equal to 2. Square root of 9 equal to 3. Square root of 16 equal to 4. Square root of 25 equal to 5. Square root of 36 equal to 6. Square root of 49 equal to 7. Square root of 64 equal to 8. Square root of 81 equal to 9. Square root of 100 equal to 10. Now if you observe these values carefully, suppose let us take 144. So what is the digit in the units place? That is 4. Now you observe here in the square roots, suppose here we have 4 in the units digit. Now similarly here in 64 also we have 4 in the units digit. That means if it is 4 then the square root is 2. If it is 64 then the square root is 8. So that means if we have a number in which the digit in units place is 4, then the square root of that one has 2 or 8 in its units digit. That means square root of 144, that could be some number which has 2 in units place, or maybe some number which has 8 in its units place. We know that square root of 144 is 12. Let us take one more number. Suppose we have 256. Now here digit in units place is 6. Now check for what numbers we have 6 in the units place. See here for 16 and for 36 we have 16, 36. For these numbers we have 6 in units place. Now square root of 16 is 4 and the square root of 36 is 6. That means for 256, if you take the square root of 256, then in that square root, the digit in the units place may be 4 or maybe 6. So the possible digits are 4 and 6. Let me take one more example. Suppose let us take 441. Now we have 1 in units place. Now check. So here in root 1 and root 81, you see here we have 1 and 81. So these are the numbers which have 1 in their units place. For 1 the square root is 1 again. For 81 the square root is 9. So in the square root of 441 the possible digits in the units place are 1 and 9. So like that we can do the problems in this one. Now let us do first problem. 9801. Answer: digit in units place. Digit in units place equal to how much? 1. So therefore possible digits in the square root of 9801 equal to, so here digit in units place is 1. So here 1 and 81, if you observe 1 and 81, square root of 1 is 1, whereas square root of 81 is 9. So the possible digits are 1 and 9. So this is the answer. Now let us go to the second problem. 99,856. Now here digit in units place 99,856, digit in units place, digit in units place. What is that? That is 6. So write 6. Now check here. What are the numbers we have digit in units place as 6, 16 and 36. In the square roots of these numbers, what are the digits we have? 4 and 6. So therefore, possible ones digits of the square root of 99,856 equal to, what are the possible digits? 4 and 6. So 4, 6. This is the answer for second one. Now let's go to the third one. Third problem, 9,98,001. So solution, given number is 9,98,001. Digit in units place. What is the digit in units place? That is 1. So write 1 here. Now at the right side, you observe what are the numbers we have 1 as its units digit. This is root 1 and root 81. So the square roots of those two are 1 and 9. So the possible units digit or ones digit of the square root of the given number is 1 or maybe 9. So therefore, possible ones digits of the square root of 9,98,001 equal to 1 and 9. These are the possible ones digits. Now let us go to the fourth problem. Here we have a big number 657666025. How can we read it? 65 crores, 76 lakhs, 66,000 and 25. Given number, we can write like this. Given number equal to, now here in this, what is the digit in units place? That is 5. So write digit in units place. Digit in units place equal to, what is that? 5. Now you observe here at right side, what are the numbers we have 5 in their units place? This is the only number. So that is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So the digit in the units place of the square root of the given number is also equal to 5. That means it is the possible digit. So therefore, possible ones digit in the square root of equal to, that is nothing but 5. Let us go to the next problem. Exercise 6.3, second problem. Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect squares. Which are surely not perfect squares. So now let us check what type of numbers could be perfect squares. For that, what we need to know is, in the square of any number, what could be the digit in units place. Suppose if you take 1 square, that is 1, 2 square, that is equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25, then 6 square equal to 36, 7 square equal to 49, 8 square equal to 64, 9 square equal to 81 and 10 square equal to 100. Now you observe the squares of all these numbers. What are the digits in units place? Here we have 1, then here we have 4, 5, 6 and 9, and then we have 0. So these are the only possible digits in the units place. So let us write digits in the units place of any square number equal to, so 1 is 0, first let us take, then 1, then 4, then 5, then 6 and then 9. So if you have any number with its unit digit as other than these digits, then it is not a perfect square. So now let us go to the first problem, that is 153. So solution, digit in units place. What is the digit in units place? That is 3. Now check, this 3 is in the possible digits in the units place of any square number 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. There is no 3 here. So that means 153 is not a perfect square. So therefore 153 is not a perfect square. Now let us go to the second problem. That is 257. 257. Now digits in the units place of any square number equal to this one. Now digit in the units place of 257 equal to 7. Now you check whether this 7 is in our list or not. No, we don't have 7 in our list. So 257 is not a perfect square. So therefore 257 is not a perfect square. Next, let us go to third problem. Third problem is 408. So third problem I am writing here 408. We need to write like this. Digits in the units place of any square number equal to. So these are the possible digits. So now digit in units place or ones place, we can say ones place of 408 equal to, what is that? 8. Now check 8 is in our list or not. No, we don't have. So therefore 408 is not a perfect square. So is not a perfect square. Like that we can write the answers for this. Now let's go to the last problem, that is 441. That is fourth problem, 441. Now we know that digits in the units place of any square number equal to, we have one list. Now digit in the ones place of our number, that is 441, that is equal to, what is the digit in ones place? 1. Now let us check whether this one is in our list or not. Yeah, we have. So 441 could be a square number. 441 may be a square number. We don't know whether it is a perfect square number or not, but there is a possibility. Okay, so therefore we can't say that 441 is not a perfect square. So therefore we can't say that 441 is not a perfect square. So that means we are not sure about whether 441 is a perfect square or not. But in previous problems, that means in 408, suppose if we take, as 8 is in units digit, we can surely say that it is not a perfect square. But in the case of 441, we are not very much sure about that one. That means we can't say whether it is a perfect square or not. In the previous 3 problems, we are very much sure about those are not perfect squares. Okay, hope you enjoyed the class. If you enjoyed the class, please subscribe my channel. Yours, Kona Reddy.